In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a blur to focus text effect in Premiere. To begin, I just added a video with some text to my timeline. Alright, let's start by heading over to the Effects panel and typing Gaussian blur into the search box. Drag the effect onto your text layer. Now go up to Effect Controls for the text layer. In here, we're going to start by adjusting the text opacity so that our text fades in. Move the time head to the start of the clip. Make sure the opacity stop Adobe is turned on, and then change the opacity value to 0 and to create a certain keyframe. Drag the time head a little past its current position and change the opacity to 100 to create the ending keyframe. Okay, now that we have our fade, let's add the blur. Scroll down to the Gaussian blur effect that you added earlier. Move the time head to the start of your clip, changes the blurriness to 100, and click the stopwatch toggle to create your starting keyframe. Since we want our text to come out of the blur and into focus right when it's finished fading in, we're going to want the time head or the location of our opacity's ending keyframe. Go up to the opacity property and click the right arrow next to the blue keyframe button to move the time add to the opacity second keyframe. Now when we scroll back down to the blurriness property, the time head is positioned in the right place. Change the blurriness value to 0 to create your ending keyframe. Alright, and now when I play this back, we have a nice text blurred to focus effect in Premiere. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.